Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. And today I've got an unboxing of a AMT Ertl 1963 Chevrolet Impala SS, skill level 2, 125 scale, kit number 8321, and this one came out in 1996 was this release, and there's no price on this one. I don't remember where I bought it, but it's still wrapped in its original cellophane. I'm going to go ahead and tear right into it and get you guys a treat here. We got, let me take the plastic off first. Wow, this one's really on there. Alright folks, first time since, what did I say? First time since 1996. Here's the information on the kit itself. If you want to pause it, help yourself. And here we go. 28 years this one's been wrapped. Wow. There we go. That one was on there tight. Alright. And we have molded in light gray. Bag of body parts and other bits. Cut right into that. You should see the mess I've got on the floor right now of all the parts of the bags and that I've cut off. That's pretty funny. Alrighty, here we have the body, and now 63 they went to the straight A-pillar, whereas 61 and 2 had that curve on it. And I don't remember 60. Boy, I'll have to look that up. I don't remember. 60 must have had around A-pillars also, just like 59, I'm thinking. I don't have one out here right now to look at. Anyway, we have the straight A-pillars. Nice looking body, a little bit of flashing. Very distinctive looking rear end there for 63. And then the top looks like it's almost a convertible. It's the hard top with the little bump right there. Molded in windshield wipers. Wow, molded in radiator support it looks like. Maybe not though. It says 409 right there on a little badging. Nice stripe along the side moldings there. And fuel cap over there, yep. That's decent looking, guys. Nice thickness. Not too slick, but of course we're going to clean it up before we paint it. And here we have, oh, this is one of them deals with the custom parts. This, I think, is a custom front end. I can't remember what other kit it was I had that has that same type of deal on it. I think it's a, oh, you know what? It's a 63 Impala, but a different version. Wow. I forgot I've already done that. So, if you go back in the videos and watch the unboxing of the most current 63 Impala, go ahead and compare the two. If I had realized that, I would have just did them side by side. Now here's the hood with decent detail on the bottom. These things again, which I don't think I figured out what they were for the last time. Let's see, part 41. This is part 41 and 42. We're going to figure it out today, guys. This is the top of the dashboard, I think. Or, it's, no, you know what? That's another custom bumper. That's for the rear. Wow. Okay. And here we have the seats, the front, the backs, and the bottoms. So these are custom seats. This is the bottoms and the backs for the front custom seats, and these are the stock version here. Then we have that engine plate that goes in if you want to make it a curbside model. Alright. That's like for the promo models, they had that type of thing. Oh, sorry about that. And here was the dashboard, very distinctive looking. Here's a standard steering wheel. Go like that. And then the interior tub, which is decent. You know, we've got clutch, brake, and fuel pedal molded in. We got the console molded in. Got the rear seat. Very nice. A little different from the 62 I did the other day. And here we have the engine top with lots of flashing. So we'll have to definitely clean that up, spend some time doing that. Same with the engine block and the little transmission on the back end. All these parts have got a lot of flashing. Valve covers, stock exhaust manifolds, fan belt and pulley system, air cleaner. A lot of flash on those guys. And here, these are seat backs. Oh, look at here. We get a television with this one. You know, nowadays the kids have an iPad to watch in the back of the car. Here you took a whole television with you. Oh my gosh. Here's the flags for the trophy that came with the kit. And these little balusters I think are part of, I think they're part of the trophy, but I'm not positive on that. It's been so long. Here's a little rabbit. There you go. Catch a rabbit behind the ears or whatever that is. And then these look like headrests for the custom seats. And then, oh, a record player. That's very cool. I think this is the bottom of the record player. Seat belts. Seat harness, like a racing harness. Some custom parts here. Another steering wheel. And like a roll pan for the bottom of the rear end of the car. The body. Some more customizing parts for that crazy looking front end. A grill. I don't know what these are. Part 48. I'll have to look them up. 45. No, 46. Part 46. I'll have to look those. Oh, you know what? I bet they go in there. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, this is cool. Look here. We got some open end wrenches, pair of pliers, crescent wrench, a hammer, a screwdriver, and what looks like 2 wooden spoons, but I'm not sure what those are. That's funny. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. A lot of nice little goodies in that one. And we have the little 5-bladed fan that fell off of one of the trees, and then the body, this part, the chassis, molded in axle and mufflers. Drive shaft is already installed, and a big old chunk of plastic on this end. Gas tank, trunk bottom, all kinds of stuff in there. Well, that's pretty cool. Now we have the glass, which is one big piece. Now, if you watched a previous video, one of the vehicles that I did the other day, what was it? The Rat Packer, that kit that I built. The windshield and the rear window were too far apart, so I had to cut a little chunk out of each side of this, and then it brought it back together and it fit in perfect. It's just part of modeling, things we got to do sometimes. It wouldn't lay down inside the body shell, but as soon as I did that, everything fit just nice. So, wrote a blueprinter card from the 90s. Throw that back in there. Here are 3 versions of license plates. This one here caught my attention. It says Rabbit. That's a Utah plate, Iowa, and I can't make out that top one. If you can make out the top one, you go ahead and shout it out. I think it says Wisconsin, but it's so small. So those are your decals. Nothing fancy there. We'll set the instructions aside. It came with 1 metal axle for the rear wheels. I'm almost positive. 3 tires. Here's 4 tires. For the standard for the day type of tire. Now these tires don't have white walls on them, but the box art does, so maybe somebody painted around those. I never had that steady of a hand. But these are Firestones. I don't know if you can see it or not. So maybe there's a little line around there you could paint if you got nothing better to do that day. Here are, separate from the windshield, and that is some lights for your headlights, and then little lights for the custom version, I imagine. And here's tail lights. Oh, these got to be the custom version, because I don't know if I've seen the regular red tail lights. that was the other kit. That's interesting. Huh. Alright guys, there's no, yeah, I didn't see inserts for the taillights. This has 3, let's see if it has a rear view. Yeah, there's your rear view there. 3 taillights on each side, so 6. But they're not included in this kit. Isn't that interesting? That's a little bummer, but you know, that's why we have spare parts. Gotta love it. There was a lot involved in this kit, a lot of parts to keep track of. I'm sure somebody just missed the boat on that one. All right, here are the custom versions of the grill and the rear end. Here's the stock grill, which is much better than the 62 Impala that I just did recently, the convertible, where this was all faded out and not really chromed real well. This one's much better. And here are the stock hubcaps. Those are pretty nice looking. Some custom Keystone Krager style custom wheels, shifter, a couple little gauges, I think. Some fancy parts for the custom version. Exhaust parts or tail lights. I'm not sure what those are. Oh, you know what? These might be armrests, but I'm not positive on that. So that's it for that, guys. And we get right into the instructions. It's a different style of an instruction sheet. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Nothing much on the front here, just the before you begin building tips and that. And we have engine assembly. That's it. They only give you one version for your engine. The wheels, 2 sets. It says assemble 2 sets. Okay. So you do the stock version or your custom version. Here's your wheels. Steering wheel. Your seats, or you can do the custom seats. Yep, those are headrests, them little funny things. Roll bar, that's what those parts were. They weren't for a trophy, they're for a padded roll bar. And here's your tools, your trophy, your record player, those are speakers, them funny looking things. And then a mascot. We can't call it a rabbit, but it's a mascot, yeah. Alright. Here, tail lights, red. It says they're included, but I guess I got lucky. My kit doesn't have them, so that's okay. I'm sure I've got plenty in parts bin in there somewhere. Most likely, right in that bin right there, I'll find them. So that's cool. Chassis assembly, and this is the simulated engine. Can be used in place of the assembled engine if desired. And here we have the stock version. And the custom version, another custom version, that, and then this is, oh, okay, it's a tail panel piece that's customized for here. I thought it went in the front, but it says for the rear. Okay. Alright. And that's that. Oh, it is a hood scoop. One of the pieces was a hood scoop. You put one on the front and on the back. I thought those were the backs of the custom front seats. I guess not. So there you have it, folks. AMT Ertl 1963 Chevy Impala SS version 2 or 1 or however you want to look at it. If you go back, like I said, and check out the other video on the unboxing I did of the other 63 Impala that just came out recently within the last couple years, you can compare the two and see what's all up in that, and maybe look around for the red taillight inserts to see. I'm going to have to go back and watch that video and see if the taillights were in that one. So, as always, I appreciate your time. Thank you for stopping by. Model Car Guy Rich out, and I will see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.